OEO'd, sold by the 420, and we are coming at the end of flower, flushing these girls out. I just wanted to bring everything out to basically show you guys a little bit of how everything's closing in. I haven't really posted a lot of finals, so I figured why not. Let me get off the camera really quick. There we go. So yeah, we got 59, I think 58 girls over here. Right here in the front. This is all 808 genetics. Corpse flower. Everything you will see over here is stupid seeded. Crossed everything in here into a Kim. 3 different phenos of the corpse flower right here. This one in the back reeks. All of them really reek. But yeah, 808 corpse flower. Zoom out a little bit so you can see the full plant size. We're in 1 gallons. Just brought them all out to the hallway because I'm doing a little bit of cleaning. This right here. This is gorilla hash breath. Crossed to, well, it's called gorilla dandruff. It's gorilla hash breath crossed to hash plant. This is by Green Minds. Looking super nice. Super nice. Smells amazing. This is one of the phenos. And the second pheno right here. Grew a lot taller. Nodes are, it's like I gotta reach down here to get a spot to grab. But the nodes are completely connected. Rank, I would say like a green pheno. This one down here, mad purple. And then right here, we got 1, 2, 3, 5 different phenos of the sugar cane across the NL5 by right hemisphere. Let me get in on that. This is the first pheno, sugar cane across the NL5 by right hemisphere. This is the second pheno. You know, longer internodes. And third pheno, everything's fucking connected. This one smells super fucking amazing. This one's fucking, hold on, let me see if I can get it good. It's like fucking super glue. And the last one back there, heaters. So sugar cane by right hemisphere, across the NL5, go get that. It's another little one right here actually. So you got extra pheno, extra little, yeah, fuck yeah. Right here, it's the pre-98. The pre-98 Bubba by Cali Connection. We got chocolates over here. Got a little bit of a fruit, but mostly some chocolate smells from the pre-98. On the pre-98. I wish everything would have filled out soon, a little bit more, but I pollinate these girls super early. What more can they do, you know? We're at the fucking week 8, dog. There's no more point of pushing them for seed. That's crazy. And then, let me see. Next, we got Skywalker Kim from 808. One of these are variegated. Let me see which one. The Kim really showed out on one of these girls. It's the third one back here. There we go. There she is. Super nice. Super duper nice. Skywalker Kim from 808 Genetics. A must-have, I would say. It's my first time running 808 Genetics. Heard a bunch of people hype it up, a bunch of people talk it up. I want to run it myself, and I am very, very, very impressed. Not gonna lie, can't wait to smoke these girls. And this right here next to it, Tino's. We got 2 banana OG crusted green crack by Tino's. These ones look super nice, super chunky. Low-key the chunkiest out of the whole tent. But it don't really reach, bro. We're gonna have to find out how these hitting. But the banana OG crusted green crack, really got too many smells. The third pheno back there came out crazy nice. Yeah, that's that. Tino's banana OG crusted green crack. This is a copycat Obsidian Dream. I got this cut gifted to me from my boy Coco Indoors. This one smells super duper nice. I'm sure you guys can see it's fucking covered rails. Got both are leaning heavy as fuck. Obsidian Dream by Copycat. Go get that. Go get that. I would definitely go get that. Fucking reeks. Reeks. What else we got over here? Oh shit. This is actually a special one. This is Hawaiian Lion. Yeah, I wish I could get a better view of her. Better fucking pick. This Hawaiian Lion is nice. Hawaiian Lion. Then what do we got? Hold on. We over here now, other side. Fatality from Right Hemisphere. Super nice. And then I'm getting lazy now. It's my Gary Pie F1. I kept this clone from last run. Fucking super nice. Super duper good, you know what I'm saying? Sticky, stanky, fucking caking. You can't really fucking complain with the Gary Pie. This is a Gary Poppins by Zygena's Custom Made Sonics Cherry Pie Dog. Let's go. Oh man. What's over here? What is over here? What is this? What is this? Brother man, what is that? Let me see. What is that? So TJ 119's in the front, Trico Jordan. Oh, this is actually the Purple Chef. Shout out Purple Chef, because he was telling me I had the only green pheno. Then boom, 2 weeks later, purple. He knew it. He knew what was going on. He knew the fucking mission. You know what I'm saying? This is Purple Chef, which is it is Dante's Inferno cross to something. Purple Chef by chef.budz on Instagram, Chef Buds. I believe he hunts and breeds for purple strains. So tap in. This right here is the Blue Nerds. It's about to whack y'all across the head next year. The end of the year, all you guys are gonna hear Blue Nerds. You heard it here first. This is Trico Jordan. It's that TJ 119. See the seeds damn near falling out. Look at that. Seeds falling out of this bitch. That's a hair right there, just in case y'all wondering. You think they got pets. TJ 119 right there. Killing it. What else? What is this? Imported to show. Pretty much it. Everything else is copies. I don't really have much else to show. But I'll show you guys once everything's hang, dried, looking right. Feel me? We still got a week or so of flush. So these are going back in the tent, just giving everything a cleaning and getting right back to it. Let's fucking go. Sober Brother 420.